Today, we will be discussing something that many are trying to do, but because AI is not flawless, might seem hard, which is automating social media content for a brand. Everything, imagery, captions, hashtags, emojis, and everything, by simply adding the brand URL, actually, and that's what we're gonna do. What has been a real challenge when it comes to automating social media content with AI, especially imagery, right? The challenge is in consistency, in brand guidelines respected on every post, vibe, and color. The way we're gonna do this is we will use Promptmate, and then I will tell you also what's the challenge with doing this with ChatGPT. As an example, I will use this brand, brewcoffee.co.uk. Let me just show you. So let's get on Promptmate. What will happen is that all you do is add this as a URL, right? And then click Save and Add Prompts. Then the first prompt, we add a data extender, which is web page content data extender, right? Extract everything from the website. We will use this part right here, which is a screenshot URL. So what we will be able to do with the screenshot URL is actually activate GPT Vision as an AI system and insert as image URL the screenshot URL. This allows AI to look at the website actually, right? When it sees the website, what we will ask it to do is to create a comprehensive and detailed and clear idea of the brand's visual identity. It will establish brand colors, style, key elements, and that's it. It even gives you hex codes, which is great. Then the second prompt, what it does, it creates a base prompt. The base prompt is mainly the prompt that you can use for every image. And then on that prompt, to generate every specific image, all you have to do is change this part, the specific element, right? These variations will make the actual prompt different for every image, right? As you can see, this is the prompt. The list of variations are these 12 right here. And for each variation, we will be able to use each variation by replacing specific element, which AI will do, right? Now, what we do is actually make it possible to have the prompt plus the variation for each image. I don't want to go through each one of that, but basically what's important for us is to have a prompt that doesn't have pre-text, post-text, does not include additional text explanations, symbols, or formatting. So we do this for every prompt. 1, 2, 3, and the same thing goes on until the 12th post, right? All we do is just add the prompt result here, right? Which is this one. And then we do it for this one, for all 12. It's very simple. Now all the prompts of the images are in place and we get the images. So the last one just generates social media captions with emojis and hashtags, right? We are avoiding to include any text explanations, symbols, or formatting. And this is great for people in social media marketing, for digital marketing agencies. And this is mainly great for a first draft to send to your client. Why would I say the first draft? Because obviously the client might say, oh yeah, well, I can give you images of my own, I don't know, coffee machine or our own barista. But at least you can tell them that this is the vibe that the brand needs to have. So going back to the captions, what I do here is I just copy this and then come here and add it under notes, right? So for every image, you have the caption, just to show you that everything is consistent, even in terms of captions, but even in terms of hashtags, because this is the brand, right? And this is because this is done thanks to the website data extender. So we have passion into each latte, and this is consistent. And then from bean to brew, consistent. Watch our skilled baristas, consistent, etc. This is it. Very simple. All you have to do is add your URL. GPT will look at the website. Then it will create brand guidelines based on that. That will allow you to be consistent for each image prompt, and then AI will just generate the image. You can choose between Stability AI of Stable Diffusion or use DALL-E. You can also use DALL-E, but we all know that DALL-E sometimes generates images that are not very realistic. Let's just try for a second here. Not a bad job, but you can clearly see that it's not very photorealistic, but more artistic. So yeah, I would prefer, again, just keep Stability AI text to image in here. So this is it. I'll save this template for you to use. It will be called social media content using URL. You'll find the link in the description below this video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.